Hi, I'm Parshava Shah. I'm a partner at Mahisa Packaging Systems. At Mahisa, we are into the manufacturing and development of hot melt adhesive dispensing systems and packaging automation solutions. We've been using SOLIDWORKS for almost 8 years now. Before SOLIDWORKS, we did not have a dedicated in-house product development team of engineers and designers. So we used to usually outsource it, and mostly it was 2D drafting using AutoCAD, and there was no 3D CAD software that was used. So when we decided to build an in-house designing and development of team of engineers, SOLIDWORKS was the first option, because primarily it's more well known and more common, and my personal experience with SOLIDWORKS. We wanted a 3D designing and 2D drafting setup in-house, and that is why we ended up going with SOLIDWORKS. We have about, I think, 5 licenses and about 7 to 8 designers who are utilizing these licenses for our machine designs and development. So a lot of these ideas come from our customer requirements, which are communicated to our design and development engineers, where the concept is put together on SOLIDWORKS. Then comes the drawings, that are the part drawings, which are made again in SOLIDWORKS Sketch, so that those can be shared with our manufacturers. Any kind of analysis in terms of motion is done in-house. We do basic stress and force analysis. So SOLIDWORKS helps us very well in tracking these customizations and making and creating these customizations for each customer in a very efficient and quick manner. We can visualize and see the entire product development process in 3D. We can share the same with our customers for review immediately. So there is no back and forth communication that could also lead to a lot of miscommunication in many cases. In terms of time and communication, the process has entirely been streamlined. As a rework process in terms of manufacturing has reduced drastically, because again we are able to communicate the requirements internal and external very clearly. With Beacon, we have their advantage of their training, and so we've in the beginning, when we actually had the first few implementations, we took really good advantage of their training sessions, which has eventually built up slowly to a great advantage for the entire team. We've been with Beacon since we started using SOLIDWORKS. The association with them has been really smooth and successful, especially with any technical difficulties or support, be it a software based technical or a design based requirement. The response has always been really good, quick, and up to the mark. So we've been really happy with Beacon, and hence over the years, whenever we've gone to purchase more licenses, we have always gone back to Beacon for the same.